Welcome to the world of coffee connoisseurs. Today, we're brewing the perfect cup of coffee at home. With the right tools and a little know-how, you can transform your morning routine into a gourmet experience. Here's what you'll need: freshly ground coffee beans, filtered water, a coffee grinder, and your preferred brewing device. Picture a medium coarse grind, akin to coarse sea salt. Fill your coffee maker with filtered water, add the ground coffee, and brew according to your device's instructions. Remember, always use fresh, cold water. Grind your beans just before brewing for the freshest taste. A scale comes in handy for precision in your coffee-to-water ratio. And don't forget to clean your coffee maker regularly for the best results. And there you have it, a perfect cup of coffee brewed right at home. Feel free to add milk, sugar, or cream to your liking. Experiment with different brewing recipes if you're using a French press or AeroPress. And why not add a dash of vanilla extract, cinnamon, or nutmeg for an extra flavor kick? Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Enjoy your brew, and remember to subscribe for more coffee magic.